Sunday the 16th of July, and on the boat ready to go for a cruise. It's a bit windy. There's been gusts going through at 28 knots and the wind will be against the tide going out the loch. It'll be pretty rough out there, so we'll stay on the mooring for a while. That's us out of Loch. Dougie's sailing well. I'm motor sailing at the moment and doing the video. Aye, it's going well. It's a nice breeze for sailing. Well, I'm having a nice wee sail now. I'm not going very fast, but it's a nice wee sail. There's Douglas over there in Romer. There's a gentle sail now across Jewett Bay. We've got beam reach, but we're against the tide. We're at anchor now in Loch and about to have our dinner, which tonight is a barbecue. We're just about ready. Chicken, chorizo sausage, bacon, venison burgers and corn off the cob with fried onions.
And that's where it's
buns.
going. I'm ready as well.
Dougie's ready for it, he says. Quiet night in Loch at anchor, just passing the marina. About to follow the ferry out into the sound of Mull. It's a grand day in Tobermory. We've been here a few hours on the moorings, been ashore for refreshments and shopping. Douglas is there on Romer. There's a wee bit breeze, but we're fine and safe on the mooring. It's quite warm. A windy day in Tobermory yesterday. It's the 20th of July today and we're on our way back down the sound. Clansmen going up the way, going out to Call and Tyree. No wind this morning. Well, we're back in Loch, about a couple of miles to go to the moorings. Douglas overtaking in Romer. Just a gentle wee sail in the Loch.